Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are going to be doing just a little chit chat, get ready with me. I was trying to think of like what I wanted to film today, and my mom was like, you haven't done a get ready with me in a while, and I was like, well, you know, you're right. And I was like, I really don't have much to talk about, and then I was like, who am I kidding? It's me. I'll find something to talk about. And so I figured we could do that today. I love doing these videos with you guys, and I love watching them because I love when I'm getting ready or just like hanging out. It feels like I'm hanging out with my friends. And so yeah, we're going to do that today. I'm super excited. We're just gonna jump into it because this video doesn't really require an intro, but before I do any sort of like zooming in, can we just appreciate that it's officially Christmas here on my channel? So excited. We have started decorating for Christmas, so I got it all down, and for some reason I didn't keep these decorations in my beauty room, so like I had to wait. But I got my little flower things over here, and then we've got like a little Merry Christmas sign, a little snowman and his tree, and this right here is like a candy cane Christmas tree, and this one I got from the freaking dollar store, and it changes colors, and I don't know if I ever turned it on last year, but I figured we're going to this year because it still works. Somehow the battery is still kicking. Hopefully it doesn't die during this video, but it's so cute and I'm so excited. I freaking love Christmas. So we're gonna zoom in just a little bit. I mean, obviously we're not really going to be doing a tutorial per se. I will list everything that I'm using down in the description box below, so if you're curious. I am going to use the Modern Renaissance because I feel like most people have this palette, and so that way if you want to kind of recreate it, then I'm using something you probably have. I'm super excited to dive into everything, so let me just kind of roll up these sleeves, child. Also, this hair, per usual, you guys know, just ignore it, okay? It definitely needed to be wash day. But we are decorating today, so I'm like, I am not going to wash my hair to be like crawling around outside and doing all that stuff. So we have started decorating the inside of our house already for Christmas. We did that on Thanksgiving Day just because like it's so easy for us to put up most everything we put inside. And so today we're doing the outside of the house, and then we actually went and got our Christmas tree last night, and so we're going to be decorating our Christmas tree. My house smells so good, you guys. I actually bought a new ornament, like a yard ornament for outside. We actually bought it before Halloween, if you can believe that. There are these like they're ornaments, like they look like big, just like ball ornaments. I'm like, how else do I describe this? And they actually have like little like ornaments on the inside of them, and they light up, and they're so pretty. And I wanted them last year, and we were like, oh, we'll just wait till a little bit closer to Christmas. And then when it came closer to Christmas, girl, them things was gone. And so we didn't get them, and then we went in to Sam's one day and they were there. Don't mind this foundation, y'all. I know it's a little dark, but I'm trying my best to get rid of it. I'm sick of this being in my collection, and because it's a stick, I feel like it never ends. So anyways, totally random. But so we went into Sam's one day around Halloween to like get Halloween candy and stuff, and they were there, and we literally were like, should we go ahead and do it? And then we were like, yeah, we probably should. And I'm so glad that we did, because they are sold out. They're no longer there. As far as I know, someone who told me they were trying to look for them, they're not online. And so I was like, oh, I'm so glad that we went ahead and did that, because I wanted them really bad. They look really pretty, and I cannot wait to see them lit up in our yard. So I'm so excited. And then we already started watching our Christmas movies last night. We watched the Charlie Brown Christmas ones, and they are so cute. We literally have like technically almost a movie for every night of the month. I don't even know how we're gonna manage to do that, but we are definitely gonna give it the good old college try. So I'm excited about that. Christmas movies are my favorite. My favorite Christmas movie of all time, if you're wondering, I know you didn't ask, but I'm gonna tell you, is National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. It is a cinematic masterpiece, my friends. I absolutely love it. And I actually have like a shirt I wear around Christmas time where they're like sitting at the table getting ready to cut the turkey. And it makes me laugh so hard, so I'm so excited. So, that actually looked really good with the brush. Look at that. So, look at you go. Not that though. I don't know. I can't believe I almost missed that. Thank God I'm not zoomed in so you guys couldn't see that. I literally was just gonna leave like the bottom part of my chin naked. It's like I've never done makeup before a day in my life. Also, I'm really excited that I'm not zooming you guys all the way in, because let me tell you, you guys know I work outside for my job, okay? And legitimately, you guys, my skin all over my whole body, okay, not even just my face, is having a literal conniption from this weather change. I swear, my hands are dry, my skin is more dry than it's ever been, which sucks because literally I moisturize every night heavily, and I'm just feeling so gross and so crusty and so itchy. It is driving me nuts. And so I am so sad about it, and my skin on my face is doing the same thing, so I'm trying to like up my skincare at night and everything, but it's driving me crazy, you guys. As you know, I have oily skin, so anytime I get dry, I don't know how to act because I'm like, I don't have products for dry skin, okay? So like, I don't know what to do with this, so it's driving me mental, and I just feel so crusty and dry. It sounds so terrible. No offense to all my dry skin lovelies out there, but like, I just don't know how to behave with this kind of behavior, especially on my hands, because you guys know, like, you're always gonna crack around the knuckles, even when it's not even that cold outside, and they freaking drive me crazy. It hurts so bad. So I was like, I really don't want to do a makeup tutorial where you gotta be all up in my grill and see like the skin dag near flaking off my nose, because it is not pretty, you guys. Just not pretty, okay? Anyways, that was a random little side note, but I feel like you guys had to know this. Back to Christmas stuff. What else are we doing? Oh, I'm so excited. We've got quite a few fun things planned for this season. And while we're at it chatting here, I would love to know in the comments what you guys have planned for the holiday season, whether it's like a trip you take or a tradition that you do. But I'm so excited because my work Christmas party is coming up, and really pretty much only excited about that because that is free booze and free food on my employer's dime, which, hello, that's the only reason I'm going, all right? I have us tickets, me, my mom, my dad, and then my dad's parents. We are going to this thing called Mike's Farm, and it is something that I have wanted to do for the longest time. I think it's I can't exactly remember where it is, but I've never actually been able to go because literally this event is so popular that they sell out like crazy. But we are doing what they call, it's their like ho-ho Christmas show or something, and it is their like normal buffet food thing, and I think they actually serve it family style now due to COVID and everything, but they have like what people say is like some of the best food, like the best macaroni and cheese, I'll be the judge of that, that you can like literally get anywhere. And so you get like, for your ticket, you get to go eat at the restaurant and have all the food. And then you get the like 30-minute hayride through all their like Christmas lights and everything. And then the package that I bought also gets us like, it's like a, I don't know if it's like Christmas caroling. It's a show that they put on. And it just sounds like it's gonna be super cute. And I'm just so excited that we're actually gonna get to experience it this year. One of my god kids is actually, she's taking like dance lessons right now. And with her dance lessons, she's actually in a little performance of like the Nutcracker down at one of our performance halls downtown. And so me and her mom bought tickets because I can't go on like the opening night because I work, you know, gotta love it. And so we're gonna go the next night, and I'm excited to see that. I've never seen the Nutcracker either, and so I can't wait to see that and see her dance because I've seen little videos of her doing it. She loves to dance, and so I'm excited to see the show and see how it goes. So I'm looking forward to that. And then we're just trying to find other little things to do. I think there's like a little church play with the kids at my church. I don't know that I'm actually gonna get to go to that because I think it's rather early and I think I'll be working, but I think my dad and my grandparents are gonna go to that as well. So that'll be super fun. I'm just super excited, and I'm getting really excited for like meeting up with my friends, because me and my friends always do like little things together to do like our little gift exchanges and stuff. And I'm getting really excited for that because I loved gift giving, you guys. Like, it is like, I'm pretty sure, I don't know much about like when people talk about your love languages, but I'm pretty sure gift giving is one of mine because I love just finding the perfect gift or curating the perfect gift for someone and then just having them open it. It gets me so excited, and I think I've put together some really great things for my friends this year, and so I can't wait to do like our little like hang out, some presents opening, and like whatever we decide to do for each of my friends. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna try and use this blush. I gotta be very careful. This blush tried to play me one time, I'm telling you guys, but it's so pretty. I'm just gonna let's see, what else do we got to chat about? What else do we want to talk about? I already told you about my favorite Christmas movie, which is National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. I was at work yesterday and like sitting out in the drive because, you know, we weren't super busy. And so I was listening to what is the greatest Christmas album of all time. Any of you guys that are wondering, that would be the Dolly Parton and Kenny Rogers Once Upon a Christmas album. I will not be taking any questions or comments about that. It's not up for debate. It is just a fact, point blank and period. But if you've never heard it, you need to listen to it because it is so good. But everybody at work was laughing at me because I was playing it on my computer and literally thriving to the best of my ability. And everybody's like, oh, that's not the best. I'm like, I don't want to hear it because it is the best Christmas album of all time. It's the album that me, my nana, my granddaddy, mom and dad, all of us, we'd be listening to. And so I was so excited. I have it on vinyl, so I'll be excited to turn that on today and listen to it while we decorate the tree. So I'm super pumped. Love that. I would love to know what your favorite movies, Christmas songs, Christmas albums are. You know, the Dolly Parton and Kenny Rogers one. I'm just kidding, you guys. All right, let's jump into doing these eyes. I'm trying to keep moving through this pretty quickly. What else do we have to talk about? What else do I got going on? Oh, I feel like I don't have that much going on. Oh, I bought a computer the other night, a new laptop. That hurt a little bit, but me and my dad went out after I got off of work on Friday and ran over to Best Buy, and I wouldn't say it was like on super sale. Like it's been like $500 off for a while, but they did $600 off for Black Friday. And so I needed I needed a new laptop. And I was looking at Mac laptops. I didn't really want one per se. I'm not the biggest Mac computer fan. I do have a Mac desktop and it's nice. It's just, you know, I feel like it's a little overhyped in my personal opinion, but I wanted it for Final Cut Pro, which I do have on that computer. And obviously on the old Windows laptop that I've had literally since I was in college, which at this point I have been out of college almost 6 years, and I used it the 4.5 years I was in college. So very much got my money's worth out of this Windows computer, but obviously Final Cut Pro is not compatible on a Windows computer. And so for most of my videos, I still use the editing software that's on that computer. And I'm like, why did I spend all that money on Final Cut Pro if I'm not really using it to the best of my ability? But I can't always edit my videos on my desktop because you guys know I go to work. I actually take my laptop to work and edit during my hour lunch break. Honey, we have no time to waste. You guys know I do a lot of house sitting, babysitting, things like that. And so I take my laptop to do work then. And so therefore, obviously, like I'm not really utilizing the desktop to the best of my ability. And so I was like, well, it seems only right if I were to get a Mac laptop so that way I can use Final Cut Pro on that as well, since that is a very expensive editing software. Okay guys, sorry, like I realized I was getting so distracted by doing my eyes that I wasn't speaking, so it just was like, let me finish this up before I try and jump back in anything, and it makes literally no sense because I'm losing my train of thought. So anyways, I can't remember what we were talking about a minute ago, but we're almost done anyways. I just gotta do a little bit of highlighter and then a lipstick, so I'm super excited. But yeah, I don't know, you guys, I'm so excited that it's Christmas. I freaking love Christmas so much. And then like not long after Christmas, my family is going to be doing a trip to Disney, me, my mom, and my dad. And I'm so excited because my mom actually hasn't been in quite a minute with us. You guys know me and my dad went to Disney a lot this past year. Was very fortunate to be able to do that amongst, you know, all the other stuff. Where we were able to have the opportunity to go as many times as we did. So I'm so excited to be able to go, and I'm so excited that my mom is going with us. I know my dad's really excited about that too. And I do believe I am gonna vlog that trip when it comes up, just because she hasn't been there in a while. And I know so many of you guys love my mom. She likes to remind me all the time. She's like, my friends want to see me on your videos and in your Instagram. And I'm just like, dang, okay, like make it about you, woman. So I am going to film that trip for sure to bring you guys along and hang out with my mom as well, so you guys can see Mama Christy. I know you guys love her. Mama Chrissy's been back on the grind a lot here lately. And so I want to say a quick thank you to all my new subscribers. Hello friends, I am so happy that you were here. Thank you so much for all your kind comments, and to all of you in general who interact with my mom. Thank you so much for just the way that you treat her. You guys are awesome. You guys are so nice to me and my entire family anytime I post them, because I always told myself when I decided to post my family on my social media in this way that, you know, there is a limit, which I'm sure many of you guys who do this as well understand. Like, I'm only going to show how much that obviously all of us are comfortable with, which we're pretty comfortable with a lot of things, but I'm only going to post as long as people are polite, because I will lose my mind over my family, my friends, my people in my personal life. I've mentioned this a few times. So I just really appreciate, especially because I know my mom interacts with a lot of you as well and separately on her own channel to talk to you guys. She loves supporting you guys. She thinks of you as her friends, which I know many of you are. She just adores you all. And so I just appreciate the way that you guys treat her. It means a lot to me. Anyways, you guys, this is the final look. I don't think it looks that bad. I really like the eyes. I really love this silver shade on the center, which I know I said it wasn't gonna be a chore, but I'm gonna tell you, it's Vermeer. It's this shade right here. I hardly ever use it because you guys know I'm not really a cool tone girl, but I think it looks really good, and it really kind of makes the eyes look nice and bright and open, which is a look that I am absolutely loving because my eyes have a tendency to look a little bit more closed, just the way my eye shape naturally is, especially when I add falsies. And so I like that it makes them look a little bit bigger with this shade on there. So yeah, but anyways, you guys, it's gonna be all for today's video. I feel like I have rambled. I feel like this video was all over the place, and if it was, I'm sorry, but that is how I converse with my friends. It's 1,000 random little stories all conjumbled into one that literally makes no sense. But anyways, you guys, I would love to hear from you down in the comments. Anything you guys want to chat with me about, whether it's favorite things to do at Christmas, what your Christmas time plans are, favorite movies and songs and things like that. And I'll try and do another chit chat, get ready with me pretty soon. Maybe talking about some or maybe we'll do like a favorites video. I think I'm going to try and round up like a yearly favorites, because you guys know I don't spend as much money on makeup as I have in the past, and I've been kind of really focusing on using up my makeup. So I have some things that I'm literally loving and things that I've like refound that were in my collection. So maybe I'll do like a yearly favorites if you guys want to see that, and we can talk about makeup, music, all sorts of stuff. Let me know if you want to see like one giant conglomeration video of favorites, or if you want to see me like break some stuff up, whether it's like clothing and music and stuff and makeup, or if you want to see it all in one. Let me know. That way I can kind of film that to how you'd like to see it. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I loved being here with you guys as always. And so yeah, if you did like it, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!